Hey everyone, today we're talking about a tiny but frustrating home invader, the black house ant. If you've spotted small black ants marching across your kitchen or bathroom, this video is for you. Black house ants are small, fast, and always hunting for food. They're typically about 2.5 to 3 millimeters long, with a shiny black body and thin, curved feelers they use to sense their surroundings. You'll often spot them forming long trails near sinks, garbage bins, or inside your pantry. Black house ants start life as eggs laid by the queen. These eggs hatch into larvae, which are fed by worker ants. Over time, they develop into pupa and finally emerge as adult ants. This full transformation from egg to adult can take just a few weeks. With the queen constantly laying eggs, a colony can grow fast, especially indoors, where food and shelter are easy to find. Let's go over some simple DIY tips to keep black ants out of your home. Tip number 1. Try a vinegar spray. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray it along ant trails, baseboards, and windowsills to destroy their scent trails. Tip number 2. Grab a lemon. Wipe fresh lemon juice around entry points like door frames and window edges. Ants hate the strong citrus smell, and it helps keep them from coming back. Tip number 3. DIY ant bait. Mix 1 part borax with 1 part sugar. Place small drops near the ant's path. They'll carry the bait back to the colony, helping eliminate it from the source. Tip number 4. Seal entry points. Use caulk to block cracks and crevices around doors, windows, and baseboards. If black ants keep coming back despite your efforts, don't stress. Let the experts take it from here. Contact ASM Pest Control for reliable and professional ant removal services. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pest control tips. Thanks for watching.